How to lock your Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can lock your Snapchat app and get password on your Snapchat chat, stories and pictures if anyone tries to get access to your Snapchat application through your phone. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to lock your Snapchat app, what you can do is you'll have to first download the application. You can head into your Play Store and you can search in for Locker for Snapchat app. Once you download it, you want to go ahead and open it. Once you open it up, you'll have to set it up. To set it up, you want to first create a passcode here, and once you create a passcode and confirm it, you want to simply tap on setup, and then you want to set up a recovery email here. I'll just set it up real quick. Then once you set up, you want to set up the accessibility here. The permission will be only used. You want to simply tap on I agree, and then you want to head into installed apps option, and you can see Locker for Snapchat app. You want to enable it, you want to allow it, and now you can use your fingerprint for authentication, and then simply tap on plus icon and you can add a chat. You can simply add a particular lock on the particular chat here. Now next time if anyone tries to access the chat, then it'll ask for passcode here. This is the way that you can enable chat lock. In order to unlock it, you can simply unlock it from here. Similarly, in order to enable the app lock itself, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top left, head into settings, and then you want to tap on app lock and it should be enabled. And as you can see, the passcode has been enabled. So this way you can lock Snapchat app and chat on your Android device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.